Assalamu alaikum, 6th class. Hope you're all fine students. Subject Computer Science, unit number 4, the Internet and World Wide Web. Students, today we are going to start our new topic, that is 4.2.3, what is URL, and it's on page number 146. On Internet, each website has a unique address. It is called Uniform Source Locator or URL. Without knowing website address or wrong website address, a user cannot open the website. Some examples of URL are given below. Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education Lahore. URL is www.bisclahore.com. In the browser you can see. Another example of URL is Punjab University Lahore, www.punjabuniversity.net. Students, it stands for Uniform Resource Locator, URL. A URL is the address of a specific web page or file on the internet. You can manually enter a URL by typing it in the address bar of your web browser. For example, you might enter a website URL printed on a business card to visit the company's website. Most URL, however, appear automatically when you click on a link or open a bookmark. If the server name in the URL is not valid, your browser may display a server not found error. If the path in the URL is incorrect, the server may respond with a 404 error. Now the next topic 4.2.4, web browser. A web browser or simply browser is a software program that allows user to view and explore different websites and web pages. The two most popular browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. Other major browsers include Opera, Apple Safari, and Google's Chrome. Each browser has a navigation toolbar that helps a user find his way around the internet. Students, a web browser or simply browser is an application used to access and view websites. Common web browsers include Microsoft Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Apple Safari. The primary function of a web browser is to render HTML, the code used to design for markup web pages. Each time a browser loads a web page, it processes the HTML, which may include text, links, and references to image and other items. The browser processes these items, then render them in browser windows. Students, do you know Internet Explorer is a built-in feature in the Windows operating system. In Windows 7, its icon is given on taskbar. Now the next topic 4.2.5, using Internet Explorer to access and view different web pages. In Windows 7, Internet Explorer is a built-in program to access and view different web pages by using Internet Explorer. Follow these methods. Method number 1. Step number 1. Click on Start button. A start menu will appear. Step number 2. Click on All Programs and then Internet Explorer. After starting the Internet Explorer, its window will appear. As you can see in the diagram, this is the taskbar. The icon of Internet Explorer is present on the taskbar. Now the method number 2. Step number 1. Click on Internet Explorer icon on taskbar. Step number 2. Its windows will open. It is an easy and shortcut method. As you can see in the diagram, students, it's the start menu, and when you click on the all programs, then you have to click on the Internet Explorer. Students, on the page number 149, you can see this is the window of Internet Explorer. In order to access and view web page of any website, type its address in the address bar and click on search button and press enter key from the keyboard. Now come to the exercise. Today we are going to cover exercise A, question number 11. What do you know about web browser? Its answer is on page number 147, starting from the heading web browser. A web browser or simply browser is a software program that allows user to view and explore different websites and web pages. The two most popular browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer and Mozilla Firefox. Student, this is the answer of question number 11, exercise A. You have to learn this question. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.